In this lesson, we're going to order numbers involving square roots. So that's the difference this time. We're going to mess with square roots. So this example number 1 says the square root of 9. The square root of 9 is 3 because 3 times 3 is 9. The square root of 25 is 5 because 5 times 5 is 25. Let's say, we know this is 2, but let's say you didn't, okay? We would go to Desmos.com, go to Scientific Calculator, and you see this one right here. So square root, we would just put, it's not the one. Square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So let's go back. And square root of 4 is 2 because 2 times 2 is a 4. Let's check 16. Square root of 16. So square root of 16 is 4 because 4 times 4 is 16. Now let's see what happens with these non-perfect squares, really. So square root of 10. Remember, these squigglies mean, this fuzzy equal sign means approximately. Square root of 10. Square root of 10 is approximately 3.162276, and then it keeps going on forever. It just a bunch of more kind of seemingly random numbers. They're not random, obviously, but so 3.16. We'll go to 3 decimal places. 3.162. It's approximately 3.162, and it keeps going. Because 3.162 times 3.162 is approximately 10. Since we cut this off, since there's more, it might give you 9.999 or something. But remember, we left some off. So it's approximately, it's not exactly, it's approximately 3.162. Let's do one more and then we'll move on, actually. Square root of 23. So let's get rid of this. So square root of 23 is approximately 4.795. That 8 makes that 5 turn into a 6. So 4.796 is approximately 4.796. Keeps going. Well, I want to say this. 4.795, and it keeps going. But let's just do that. Let's not round it because those dots means it keeps going on forever. Because 4.795, that looks 795 times 4.795 is approximately 23. Okay, so let's go to the rest these examples. So this is 3 square root of 16. Let's check that out. So 3 square root of 16. This means 3 times square root of 16 is 12. 12. We know this because square root of 16 is 4, and 3 times 4 is 12. So what about negative square root of 121? Well, 11 times 11 is 121. So the square root of 121 is 11. And we have this negative sign. So negative 11. I guess I'll box these. And 2 times the square root of 3. Oh, this is not perfect. So 2 times square root of 3. Good, but remember, you don't always even need to write the times. It will understand you. See how you get the same answer for both? It's approximately 3.464. It's approximately 3.464. Or you could say it equals 3.464 and put dot, 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 because it keeps going on forever. Let's try these. 4 divided by square root of 1. Well, we know the square root of 1 is just 1, because 1 times 1 is 1. And 4 divided by 1 is 4. Let's try it out. 4 divided by square root of 1. 4 divided by square root of 1. Oh, I guess that's how it wants to do it. Is 4. And that's what we got. So square root of 36 is 6, because 6 times 6 is 36. Over 3, I should get 2. So square root of 36 over 3. So I'm going to use this. Square root of 36 over 3 is 2. Oh, that's what I got. Cool. Square root of 64 over 3. Square root of 64 is 8 over 3. That's going to be a decimal. So 8 divided by 3. Okay, and square root of 90 over 10. So that one I'm going to have to do probably fully in here. So 0.948, and it keeps going. 948, and it keeps going. Okay, so we can do the same thing for these. 4 times square root of 25 over 2. 4 square root of 25. Oh, this one shouldn't be that bad. I could have done that. 2. I should get 10. So I should get 10. Let's see. Square root of 25 is 5. 4 times 5 divided by 2 is 20 divided by 2, which is 10. But y'all get the point. Y'all can just type this in. So let's go to the next section. All right, so let's order these from least to greatest. Ooh, there's a lot of things going on here. Okay, so decimal, like we did last lesson, 1, 2 to the left, 6.23. 3/4. Let's pretend I don't know what 3/4 is. 3 over 4 is 0.75. So 6.75. Square root of 37. Square root of 37 is 6.082. Continue. 6.082 keeps going. And 7/11. 7 over 11 is 0.636363. So 6.63. And it keeps repeating. So let's compare these. So this one has 3, because I made it 3, but we can just ignore it. 2, 3, 7, 5, 0, 8. Let's ignore it for now. And least. So 23, 75, 8, 63. Then I can go ahead and choose the 08. And then 23. And then 63. And then 75. Cool. All right, let's try this one. These ones are negative. So 2 to the left. Negative 5.20. 3/8. 3 over 8. Oops. 3 over 8. If you don't know, it is 0.375. Negative 5.375. That means I'm going to put a 0 here just to help out. Negative 2 times the square root of 27. Okay, so 2 times the square root of 27 over 2. 5.196. Negative 5.196. Lastly, negative 23 over 4. 23 over 4. 5.75. So negative 5.75. Cool. Now, oh, I forgot that this keeps going on, right? So this is 3, this is 3. Oh, we'll leave that one with 3. Let's put 1 here. So remember, the biggest negative is the least. So the biggest negative, so 200, 375, 196, 750. Okay, this is the biggest negative, so it's the least. And then this is the biggest negative, and then this, nope. And then this one, because it's 200, and then lastly. Okay, so let's try this greatest to least. Okay, so 1, 2, 1.3, or I can put a 0 if you want. 3/11. 3/11. 0.2727. Okay, so 1.27 repeating. Square root of 3. So square root of 3 is 1.732. 1.732, and it keeps going. And lastly, 4/12. I can convert 4/12. 0.3333. Oh, that was, yeah, I already know that one. 0.33. Oh, that is a mistake. It's 1.33 repeating. All right, so since that one goes at 3, we can go at 3. Let's just go at 3. That'll be another 2. This will be another 3. So greatest to least, 300, 272, 732. 732 is the largest. And then 333. Remember, we're going from greatest to least this time. 300 and 272. All right, almost done. All right, decimal 1, 2, so negative 1.32. 3/8, we've done that a bunch of times. You know how to do it by now. So negative 1.375. And this negative 5/3 is negative 1.66 repeating. But this one is something I will need to check out in the calculator. So negative square root of 37/5. Negative, well, we'll put 37. Oops. Square root of 37 over 5, 1.216. And 1.216 keeps going. Remember, okay, so this is we're going from greatest to least. So the biggest negatives are least, so we need to look for the smallest negatives, the smallest negatives. So let's put a 0. Smallest negatives. This one's actually the smallest, negative 216, and then 320, and then 375, and then this one. If you have trouble with greatest to least, just do least to greatest, and then do the numbers in the opposite direction, if that makes sense. But there is a section on least to greatest and greatest to least. Thank you.